We will continue with types of bar diagram of the second one, that is multiple bar diagram. Well, what is multiple bar diagram? If we say that it is a diagrams which show two or more set of data simultaneously. Generally, these diagrams are used to make comparison between two sets of series. If you want to see more detail about it, you can turn your textbook page 103, illustration number 3. You can have a look on it. But I will carry on the essential practical page 109. Question number 4. Okay, if you look your textbook question number 4, it is given that you are asked to make multiple bar diagram of the following data. Okay, these are the data given, that is faculty is given. In faculty, arts, science and commerce is given, and number of students. For number of students, 2009-10, 2010-11 and 2011 to 12 it is given. So how we are going to do it? If you see a numerical figure of each year, 2009, 2010 and 2011, you will see the numbers are big, and due to that I am converting into percentage those figures. So how do I how do I convert into percentages? I take off this 2009 to 10 and calculating the amount of faculties of those numerical. So arts is 600, science is 400 and commerce is 200. When I add up, I got the total of faculty, that is 1200. So converting into percentage, arts, how do I do is I take the figure which is given from the textbook, 600 divided by 1200 into 100. So I come up to 50%. And science, the figure given is 400. So 400 divided by 1200 into 100, I got 33.34%. And commerce, the commerce in 2009 to 10, 200. So 200 divided by the total faculties, 1200 into 100. So I got 16.67%. Okay, this is what about 2009 to 10 converting into each faculty into percentage. This percentage I got it. And let's come to the second one, 2010 to 11. In 2010 to 11's arts is 550, science is 500, and then commerce is 250. If I add up all together, I'm getting 1300. So I'm going to convert the same way like how I did previous one. So I took the figure given in the question, that is 550 divided by total faculties into 100. I got 42.31%. And science also, 500 divided by 1300 into 100, I got 38.46%. And in commerce also, in the question it is given 250. So 250 divided by total faculty into 100, I got 19.23%. Okay. So in 2010 to 11, converting the faculty, each faculty into percentage, we are getting this. Okay, let's come to the third year, that is 2011 to 2012. Calculating the faculties. The total faculties is 1400. So 500 divided by 1400 into 100, we got 35.72%. And science, in the question it is given 600 divided by total faculty, that is 1400 into 100, we got this 42.86%. And in commerce, in the question it is given 300. That means commerce students 300 students are there in the year 2011 to 12. So to convert into percentage, divided by the total number of faculties, 1400 into 100, we got 21.43%. Okay, so here in 2011 to 2012 also we are converting into percentage. So each year is already converted into percentage. Now this percentage we are going to put we are going to make multiple bar diagram. Okay, so here when we are going to make multiple bar diagram, usually like the previous one, on the basis of this O axis and OY axis, we are making this multiple bar diagram. So on the O axis, year supposed to be there, and on the OY axis, percentage, faculty in percentage, we are placing it because the figures are already converted into percentage, and so that's why faculty in percentage. So when we look at the when we are converting into percentage, we need to look the smallest as well as the biggest. The smallest is 16.67% and the biggest percentage is 50. Okay, we will take only one particular year, that is 2009 to 2010. Okay, here what I like to say is, so due to that reason, here on the OY axis, we need to use our presence of mind by thinking the smallest and the biggest. I make 10. In each unit I make 10. Okay, I make 10. So we are getting 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So that means in each unit 10 numbers are there. Okay, so here, so this scaling, you need to use your presence of mind. The best thing to make your diagram attractive is each bar each bar the units should be same measurement. Okay, if you are taking 5, okay, in each bar put 5. And another thing is the breadth of each bar. If you can use the same unit, and then it will more look attractive. Okay, well, now let us locate now 2009 to 2010 of multiple bar diagram. Okay, here in 2009 to 10, arts is 50%. Okay, how do I do is I look OY axis where we are making units. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, here when I drop to 50 with the help of scale and pencil, I just draw a slice line, and then I make first of this arts bar. Okay, and after making arts bar, I move to the second one, that is science. Science is 33.34%. That means it is between 30 to 40. So here in the middle of 30 to 40 is 35, and below that is supposed to be. So here I just take a rough figure. Okay, here exact one, because since this unit are too tight, so round figure I take in like as usual, using of scale and pencil. I make a rough line here, and I make one bar based on arts bar. Okay, based on this arts bar I make another bar which is science. So on top of that I place it 33.34%. And in commerce 16.67%. So how do I do is it is between 10 to 20. Okay, the middle is 15 and just above that. So here I make a slice line based on science bar. I make another bar, that is commerce. Okay, here I wrote commerce. Okay, here you can color also, but for time consuming I just wrote the one faculty, like arts, science faculty name. I just wrote it here. So here this look like multiple bar diagram. Okay, for 2009 to 10. See, it's 10 as one bar, but it differentiate each faculty. each faculty is differentiate in between. So here when we look at it, it's look like one bar, but there is a differentiation. You can notice it. Okay, now let us move to 2010 to 2011. Okay, here placing a year after making a bar, what you're supposed to do is you take the middle, you just take the middle and put downward below OY axis, and so you can write the year 2009 to 2010. For the second bar, the second bar, after converting into percentage, it is 42.31%. So like the same way, I look at the OY axis. So 42 will be just below here something. So I make a rough line and make a bar. Similarly science, similarly commerce. So like this. So here we are getting another bar for multiple bar diagram for 2010 to 11. And and for 2011 to 2012, I did the same thing. Okay, for arts it is 35.72%, and then for science 42.86%, and for commerce 21.43%. Okay, so this is how multiple bar diagram look like. Okay, so here what I say, if you follow this step, you will able to draw an attractive multiple bar diagram. Mizo chungin han soi le ila multiple bar diagram kan siam don hian a number kha alen lut tuk chuan bar kha moi don lowa chumi wang chuan tuna mi po hi percentage ha kan convert ta percentage ha kan convert dan kha kan siam dan na kha chu question kha in en chuan faculty a pe a number of student a pe ta ni chuan sang hi som le som pakhat kha figure a ron petlata a chuan figure a ron petlata figure kha lian hlomani 600 400 200 anita ni khang kha bara han siam khan amoi vak don lo ani chumi awang chuan percentage ha kan convert don chuan kan bel chukanga arts te science te commerce te kan han bel khan a total kan hmu chu 1200 a bel chua kha lo ni ta ni chuan arts ka percentage ha kan convert don chuan 600 divided by total faculty of 2009 and 10 kha 1200 kha kan manganga into 100 khatiang khan percentage kan convert ang chutiang bok chuan science bo kha 400 divided by 1200 into 100 chuan percentage kan hmu ang mo percentage kan hmu tura kha chu 33.34%. Chutiang bokin commerce 2000 divided by 1200 into 100 chuan percentage 16.67% kan lo hmu don ni amaro chu a number kha alen vak lo chuan percentage ha convert kher kha ngai lo ni chu chuan sang hi som le som sang hi som pakhat po kha khatiang che khanin convert anga percentage ha chuan 2011 le 2012 po kha in convert le don ani chuan chuan chumi zwa chuan multiple diagram kha kan siam don ta ni diagram kan siam don reng khan o axis le oy axis in hatin chumi tel lo chuan diagram kha siam thelo ni chowang chuan hemi o axis le oy axis puina in multiple diagram kan lo siam don ani chuan hei tuna in hmu ang hian sang hi pakwale sang hi som kum kha akum hi ziak masalo ula bar siam phut ula bar in siam zo khan alai tak kha in langa chumi zo chuan akum khain ziak chho don ya chuan oy axis hei o axis a hi chuan year khan ni meya oy axis a chuan faculty mo faculty a kha kan ziak anga chuta chuan number te berle lian bir kha in enanga chuan khami unit siam dan tura kha in ngai tuana in present of mind mo in ngai tuana kha in mang don ani chuan hey 0 to 10 10 20 30 40 50 60 ka data unit tina hian som zela omani chu som mo number som zela omta ni chuan chumi zo chuan bar kha kan han siam don ta arts bar kha 50% alo ni chuan oy axis kan enanga tikhan 50% chu ani tur chuan hei 50 zona hian kan rin pheyanga mo chuan bar pakhat kha kan han siam phut ta ni chuan arts bar kha 50% alo ni ta science bar kha 33.34% alo ni le ta mo hemi motor chuan hei 30 ani ta achan ve chu 35 alo ni ta a 33.34 motor chuan hemi a average chia lo mo hemi a om ang ti vel ang tura khan in rin pheyanga chuan arts bar be chanin ti khan science bar kha in siam don ta ni chuan chu tiang bokin commerce bar kha siam don tur chuan 16.67 alo ni ta som le som ni in kara om ta ni hemi chan ve chu som panga lo ni ta a som paro chu hetiang live vel ang hi mo a chia 0.67 chia kha chu ti thelo wangin a round figure angin kan la ta a ti khan kan rin phei ta a science bar be chanin bar kha kan lo siam ta ni commerce chuan a chunga a percentage mo a number mo khain jak zelanga chuan ti hian multiple bar diagram chu sang ni pakbo le sang ni som chu kan lo siam zo ta a kan siam zo ve le khan alai om tak kha kan ngai tuanga khamia khan akum chumi kum sang ni pakbo le sang ni som in kar ti kha kan siak don ani chutiang bok chuan 2010 le 2011 po kha khatiang che khan tuna kan tiang che khan in tianga chuan in sha tur chu bar in kar ho hi I scale in tenga in ang thap se chu du thu samania chutiang bokin hemi bar seizong ni lo hemi a hlai zong mo khami a seizong ni lo hemi a bread kan zuk ti tak hemi hi ai in ang vek theise chuan bar kha alang moi in diagram kha amoi don ani mo nuam dona athiang limanga mo anuam don ta ni a scaling a dik thlap chuan he hi multiple bar diagram chu lo ni